Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I have an unboxing for you guys and it's for the month of December by Lookfantastic, and get a load of this box. I love this box. Very festive, very Christmassy, very holiday-ish, and I will probably reuse this box for a gift too, so that's really nice. I really do like that they change up the box every month, which is really a neat idea. I'll leave all the information about the subscriptions down below, so you don't have to hear me saying the same thing over and over again. But let's go ahead and open this festive box by Lookfantastic, and let's see what it says on the lid. Inside the lid, it says, "Believe in the magic of Christmas," and it has the hashtag of Lookfantastic there, and look at that. Now, I am the one that believes in the magic of Christmas and the magic of anything. I just think that's, for me, that's an important thing, to keep the magic there, to keep your childhood innocence, I guess you could say. I know that sounds a little cheesy, mushy, and yeah, it's like, you're not living in today's world, but sometimes that's what people need, I guess. And when you open it up, it gives you a little booklet of what is in this month's subscription. And on the back, it usually tells you what's a little spoiler of next month. And it just says, treat a loved one to a Lookfantastic Beauty Box subscription. So I guess they're not letting us know what's in the beginning of the year. Let me go ahead and get my glasses to make sure that's what it says. All right, it does say, have you enjoyed your beauty box this month? Treat a loved one to either a 3, 6, or 12-month fixed term subscription with the Lookfantastic Beauty Box gift card. So yeah, that's what it says. No spoiler alert this month. Let me make sure that there's nothing inside. Yeah, it just tells you, it just shows you, some of the boxes that they had. Again, you can see that it was different every month. And in the closing note for 2018, it says, get ready for beauty boxes in 2019. It has exciting themes, beautiful designs, and it always 6 fantastic products that are guaranteed to leave you looking and feeling your very best. The Lookfantastic Beauty Boxes are taking it up a gear for 2019. We've got even more exciting brand collaborations to come. You heard it here first. 2019 is going to be packed with beauty boxes you won't want to miss. All right. Also comes with a magazine by Elle. This is not my favorite. It's something I don't read, but I will recycle this. And again, I don't know who is in the cover of this. Zoe Kravitz? Yeah, I guess that's Zoe Kravitz. Wow, that does look like her mom. Zoe Kravitz and Lisa Bonet. She was the actress in The Cosby Show. I can't remember her name on the TV show. No, not Vanessa. But anywho, yeah, she does look like her mom. Okay, I had to look it up. Her name was Denise on the show, on The Cosby Show. But yeah, she does look like her mom, Lisa Bonet. Look at that. And of course her dad, Lenny Kravitz, which is the singer. Really nice. He was also in the movie The Hunger Games. He was Senna. And now Lisa Bonet is married to Jason Momoa, and he is Drogo from the Game of Thrones. He's also coming up in the movie Aquaman. He's Aquaman in that movie. Yeah, wow. How does Lisa Bonet get Lenny Kravitz and Jason Momoa? Man. Anywho, if you don't know Jason Momoa, you need to search him and just, yeah, that's all I gotta say is, wow. No, okay, my husband can beat Jason Momoa anytime. Yes. Okay. All right, let's get to the beauty box here. Of course, here it is right here. I already smell something, so there's probably perfume in here. But let's go ahead and grab this one. This was in the spoiler packet from last month. This is by Dr. Botanicals, the Pomegranate Superfood Brightening Eye Serum. I did get this one in I believe it was a Skin Store beauty advent calendar. So I won't open this one yet because this one is a natural, vegan, cruelty-free brand. And it did say that if you open it up, you need to use it within 3 months. So I don't want to open this up yet until I finish that one. All right, next you have a beauty sponge by Lookfantastic. I believe this is their own brand here. Really nice. It has a flat end and a pointy end. Really nice. All right, you have something here by Karl Lagerfeld and Model Company. Brow Pencil Medium Dark. All right, this one I think should match me if it's medium dark. Let's see how this competes with my Benefit, precisely my eyebrow pencil, so we'll see that. And we have a sample, a deluxe sample of the Illamasqua, the Hydro Veil Primer. Really do love this primer by Illamasqua. And you got a nice little travel size too. A cute little bottle. That's really nice. Something here by Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox. Exfoliating Pre-Wash Treatment. It says here, our scalp detox has been specifically formulated to care for the skin beneath your hair, helping to remove impurities that block the pores and disrupt hair and scalp health. Okay. Use 1 to 2 times a week as a pre-wash treatment before cleansing hair. Anything that will help my scalp is really nice. And the last thing here, this is what I was smelling when I opened up the box, is This Works, the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Really do love this. I do have a full-size product of this, and I spritz it on my husband's pillow about every other night. It has a scent of lavender, and he says he sleeps better with that scent. So I'm glad I got another little travel size or a deluxe sample size. Again, we have a full size of this, and the reason why we got the full size of that was because I got a sample size like this in one of my subscription boxes. So it's really nice for these subscription boxes because, again, you're getting products that you probably haven't heard of before, or products that you have and that it's a nice backup or a travel size of this. But anywho, those are the products for the Lookfantastic subscription box for the month of December. And I hope every one of you are enjoying your holidays this time of the year. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.